Hello and welcome to Trade Room, where we help you become a better binary options trader through accurate price action trading. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the biggest trick that you need to avoid when trading binary options, especially on the IQ option platform, which is what we use. But before I get started, it is important for me to also just let you know that trading any market carries a significant level of risk, and you should only invest money that you can afford to lose. If you find this video at all valuable, please give it a like. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them down in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel for regular binary options trading content that'll help you become a better trader. Okay, so let's get to the video. It is not going to be a long video. It's very simple and quick to go over, and it is the biggest trick that you need to avoid when trading binary options, especially on IQ option, and it is this tool right here that is displayed on your chart. This tool, what it basically shows you, let's read through it. The trader sentiment widget displays the current higher or lower ratio. For example, this widget, when the widget is 70% red, it means that 70% of traders went lower and 30% went higher. So basically what this means is when you see the red, most people think, well, let me sell, let me go red. That's what the platform's telling me to do. No, it is not. What this is telling you is that 62%, as you can see right now, 62% of traders right now are selling this pair. Okay, 40%, well, now it's 60%, and 40% are buying. Do not trade according to what this tells you. Do not even use it as an extra confirmation. 9 times out of 10, you're going to get it wrong. As you can see, price had shifted down right over here. While it was down here, it's still saying that most people are selling. This might entice you to also sell. As you could see, if you had sold right here, that would have possibly been a bad idea for a 30-second trade, which would have been ending in the next 19 seconds. So we'll see by the end of this video if that would have been a profit, which it most likely wouldn't have. And that is why this is a huge trick. What this does is it entices a lot of people to go according to what the masses are trading. This is the complete wrong way to trade. The only way to really trade is by using either fundamental or technical analysis and price action trading. You do not want to go off of what everybody else is doing. You've heard the saying that 99% of traders lose money while 1% win. That should be enough to deter you from using this tool right here. Avoid this tool at all costs. Use simple technical analysis trading or fundamental trading. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like. And as you can see, 3 more seconds, and this would have been over right there. That trade would have been over and it would have been a loss. So you don't always want to look at this. You want to avoid this entirely. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like. Comment down below with any questions or suggestions you may have, or even if you have stories of times you have used this and it's maybe worked in your favor or it hasn't worked in your favor. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Just comment down below and subscribe to the channel for regular binary options trading content that will help you become a better binary options trader. Cheers.